State your name.
Kesmoe Peapod.
Ah, yes, Mr. Peapod. We have found that you were in possession of illegal narcotics. Care to explain?
Dude, Bubba's the only narcoleptic I know.
No. Narcotic.
No, you're narcotic!
Mr. Peapod, calm down!
Hey, dude. When there's name-calling involved, I get moody.
Listen, just tell me where you obtained these possessions.
Oh, I steal them from Henry the cat.
You're not making this any easier.
What'd I say? Dude, when Henry's asleep, I sneak in, grab the nip, and go on my merry way.
Nip? Is that some sort of slang term they're using these days? Listen, Mr. Peapod, I'm your friend here.
Oh, not likely. We just met. Besides, you're human. Therein lies a little controversy right there. Listen, dude, if you want some catnip, I have some stashed in Mr. Chicker's office at the station. We could just sneak in, grab the nip.
Wait a minute. Catnip?
Yeah, dude, what do you think I was talking about?
We're done here. What a joke.
What? I thought we were friends. Hey, buddy. Dude, it's really dark in here.